Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a slime tutorial of two of my cousin's slimes. So, let's go. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So, let's go. First up, we have this white slime. Come out. Ugh. Looks like it doesn't want to come out, so I have to pick it up. It's a fluffy slime, yes. It's a fluffy slime. It's really stretchy. It's white. It's a pretty white color. I don't like white. And yes, this was made with Elmer's glue. And Elmer's glue you make slime with. The slime makes very good popping noises. It clicks really good. So yeah, if you're wondering why it's in a Publix can, I have no idea. Next up we have this slime. It's a broken container. And I'm just gonna pick it up. It's like a putty, because when you stretch it fast, it just breaks. It doesn't click. This is like a putty slime. So yeah. I'm going to be back with another video in a little bit.